in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:02 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of White Bluff, Oregon, 9 miles west of Ashland City, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, Ashland City, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Greenbrier, Coopertown, Ridgetop, Jolton, Pleasant View, Beeman Park, and Whites Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows,